The GL12CX is built to win. Whether you're competing on stage in front of thousands of people or just online with your friends, it has the power, performance, and style to take your game to the next level. At the heart of the system is up to a 9th generation Intel Core i9 9900K CPU with an all-in-one liquid CPU cooler. This liquid cooler allows us to overclock the processor to up to 4.9 GHz straight from the factory. Adding to that great performance is up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 GPU. With its Turing architecture and ray tracing technology, you'll experience stunningly realistic visuals and incredible frame rates at any resolution. The GL12CX is available with up to 32 GB of DDR4 memory at 2666 MHz. And next to the memory, you'll notice the DIMM.2 dual M.2 slot with an integrated heatsink. This allows you to mount your M.2 SSD away from the heat of the GPU and CPU for more efficient cooling and consistent performance. It comes with up to a 512 GB NVMe M.2 SSD in addition to a 2 TB HDD. However, this system was built with upgrading in mind, so there's an additional NVMe M.2 slot, a 2.5-inch drive bay, and an extra 3.5-inch drive bay. There's also a hot swap 2.5-inch SSD tray to make it super easy to transfer over game settings in an esports environment or to transfer large files between systems. To help keep the system cool, there are multiple case fans in addition to the liquid CPU cooler. There are also 2 air chambers to help improve airflow and keep heat generated from the PSU separate from the rest of the system. There are multiple RGB LED lighting zones, both inside and outside the chassis, that can be customized with different colors and lighting modes. These LED lighting zones can also be synchronized with your other ASUS AuraSync-enabled components using the Armoury Create software suite. The high-end configurations of the GL12CX, like this i9 version we have here, will also come with a Strix Flare keyboard and a Gladius 2 mouse. These are AuraSync-enabled, so you can have your own custom lighting setup right out of the box. To help show off the internal lighting, the GL12CX comes with an optional acrylic side panel. To install, just remove the metal side panel, then install the 4 included standoffs to the side of the frame and attach the acrylic side panel using the 4 included thumb screws. For connectivity, on the rear I/O you'll find dual USB 2.0 ports, dual USB 3.1 Gen 2 ports, and 4 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports. There's also Intel Gigabit LAN and audio jacks with an optical output. On the front panel, there's a headset jack, SD card reader, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports. If you have any questions about the GL12CX, please reach out to us on our Facebook page at facebook.com/rog.n.america.